Welcome to the ultimate guide to creating a viral short strategy. We're breaking down the 5 essential steps to skyrocket your short-form content success. Shorts are dominating social media feeds. If you want to capture attention and grow your audience, mastering this format is non-negotiable. Short-form video has immense power to deliver massive reach and engagement, but only if you have a strategic plan in place. Our strategy focuses on 3 main pillars: instant viewer hooks, maximizing platform discovery, and creating highly rewatchable content loops. The first step is arguably the most critical. You must hook the viewer within the first few seconds, or they will scroll away. Aim to grab attention in the first 3 seconds. This could be a bold statement, an intriguing visual, or a question that demands an answer. Dynamic visuals, fast cuts, and high-quality, engaging sound design are crucial for keeping the viewer's eyes and ears locked in. Next, let's talk about getting your content seen. You need to leverage platform features to optimize for discovery on the algorithm. Strategic use of trending audio tracks increases your video's visibility. Pick sounds that are popular but still relevant to your content. Use a mix of broad and niche hashtags and keywords in your captions and video titles to help the algorithm categorize and push your content to the right audience. High retention is the algorithm's secret sauce for going viral. We want viewers to watch your short multiple times. Keep your short videos under 30 seconds, preferably shorter. Deliver your message quickly with a clear, satisfying payoff at the end. Design your shorts to loop seamlessly. Ending the video right where it began encourages an immediate rewatch, boosting your watch time and retention dramatically. Virality isn't just luck, it's consistency meeting strategy. You need a regular posting schedule and a commitment to continuous improvement. Post consistently, ideally daily, and experiment with different times to find when your specific audience is most active and engaged. Regularly check your analytics. Pay attention to what content performs best in terms of retention and shares, and adjust your strategy based on this data. Finally, don't let your viewers leave without giving them a clear next step. Actively ask your viewers to engage. Comments and shares signal to the algorithm that your content is valuable and worth pushing to a wider audience. Follow these 5 steps, and you'll be well on your way to viral short success. Subscribe for more strategy tips.